Take colored sheets. I'm taking pink shades which matches with my product. Now place them in an attractive manner. My product has lines, so I'm placing them like a plus sign. Make sure that your room has sufficient light. I suggest to shoot this near a window at daytime. Adjust the angles of camera and click photos. It depends upon your creativity. Try to do something unique. Take a cloth. Place your product on it. Use some props related to it to fill the empty space. Have some linings on your cloth so that it looks more interesting. And now carefully click satisfying photos.